A Tom Collins is part of a family of cocktails that uses the same base of lemon, simple syrup, and soda. So join us and let's make a Tom Collins, a John Collins, and a Vodka Collins. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. On this channel, we teach you all about celebrating. We share recipes for food, hors d'oeuvres, cocktails, and we share entertaining tips too. Now we try and keep everything really simple, especially for those of you out there who say that you just can't cook or entertain, because we know you really can. So if you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and watch a new episode every single week. Today, here we are once again. We are in our little mountain hideaway in upstate Pennsylvania. So, we're filming outside. There's dogs and noises. We'll do the best we can to muscle through. But it's Labor Day weekend, and our celebration is all about cocktails today. What better way to start a celebration than with cocktails?
That's the best
now,
way.
Let me introduce my guest star here. You may have seen her before. It's Ivana Martini.
Hello, everyone.
Now, Ivana's going to be in the show later, and Ivana is a little better when she has a couple cocktails before she goes on stage.
Just a couple.
Just a couple. So today, we're going to be making the family of Collins cocktails. You've heard of a Tom Collins, but he's got a few brothers and sisters, and we're going to make some of them. We're going to start with the classic Tom Collins. What's in a Tom Collins? It's gin. It starts with gin, my favorite. Now, for all these Collins recipes, I'm making 2 drinks, and it's all about ratios. So we have 3 boozes, lemon juice, 3 parts, 2 parts, 1 part simple syrup. 3, 2, 1. So 1 more ingredient, and that's a splash of club soda at the very end.
Is that lemon juice freshly squeezed?
This is freshly squeezed. You always want to have freshly squeezed lemon juice whenever possible. So let's start with the Tom Collins. I should tell you about simple syrup too, shouldn't I? Simple syrup, equal parts water and sugar, just heated slightly until the sugar dissolves. Now, if you're afraid to make it, it's very easy. But if you're a little afraid, you can always buy it. Rose's Simple Syrup. They make a lot of other brands on the store. This is what I found. So you can buy these too. I just like to make it so I get more. So let's get started with these cocktails.
Can't wait.
In our glass, we're going to start with the gin, 3 ounces. This is 1.5 ounce size jigger. 1. And that makes 3. 1.5 and 1.5. 3. 2 lemon juice, freshly squeezed. 1. And 2.
Splash.
These things happen. 1 simple syrup. Right in. Now for the fun part, shaky.
Shaky.
I'm gonna get some ice in my shaker. And we're gonna pour that in. I'm gonna shake it up. All right, that's all you need. Now, we want to strain this into a Collins glass. What's a Collins glass? Collins glass is a tall, thin glass, usually 12, maybe 16 ounces. So it's nice and tall and refreshing and cool. Why are we straining it? We're going to put some fresh ice in, and we're going to strain it because this ice has already started to melt and it's going to dilute it. So we want to pour it over fresh ice. There's 1.
Look at that.
We're gonna make 2 because I want to taste them too. I don't want just her tasting them. I'm gonna taste 2. So
Cocktails are more fun with friends.
Exactly. So here we go. Now we're gonna top with some club soda. Give it a little bit of fizz.
Can't go wrong with fizz. More zhuzh, the better.
I think maybe we need a little garnish for prettiness sake, right?
It's all about making things pretty after all.
What do we have? How about this?
Oh, look at those.
We'll put that.
That's gorgeous.
And we'll put that. Maybe a straw for the ladies. Here we go. The favorite part, the tasting.
Ooh, mine too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's good. That's really good. What do you think?
Oh, it's delicious. It's refresh. It's perfect end of summer into fall drink.
Exactly. Bright. The lemon makes it all citrusy. The gin gives a nice botanical flavor. And it's just wonderful on a hot summer day. So I'm going to clear this up a bit, and then I'm going to make his brother, John Collins.
Brothers.
Now, we're going to move on to the John Collins, Tom's brother, John. And guess what? You're going to use the same base of lemon juice and simple syrup. Same ingredients, different booze. Let's do this. In our glass, this time, we're using bourbon.
Yum.
3 ounces. Mustn't spill.
Alcohol, at least.
Exactly. All right. Bourbon. Our lemon juice. 2 of this.
I do love that 3, 2, 1. It makes it so much easier to remember numbers.
That's the whole idea.
Numbers are hard, enough as it is, you know.
And our simple syrup.
That was my nickname in college. I forgot all about that.
See that? Little ice. In here. Shaky, shaky. Here we go. All right.
You have a beautiful technique for shaking.
I do try.
It's
I've been doing this a long
mesmerizing.
time. Now our glasses. 1 for Ivana. 1 for me. We're both pretty in pink today.
Oh, yes, we are.
I'm going to strain it. All
That was
right.
perfect.
See that? Little splash of club soda. Little straws.
Yay. No garnish, please?
Oh, we're going to garnish.
Okay.
Don't worry. You have to garnish. It's pretty.
It is. And those are beautiful garnish.
Yes, you can have this kind. I'm going to go simple in mine and just use a slice of lemon.
That looks
little
very
difference.
nice there.
So you have options for garnish too. Here you are.
Thank you, darling.
Let's
Cheers.
taste it. This is really good.
Woo.
It's very different. The bourbon makes it more complex, but it still has that great brightness from the lemon, and the club soda makes it nice and fizzy and light. Really good and really refreshing. And this is a good drink for kind of a early autumn day when it's still kind of warm and you want something a little warming. This is it. All right, one more time. I'm going to clean this up, and then we're going to go to Tom Collins' cousin, Vodka Collins.
I love this family.
Now we're all ready. It's time for a Vodka Collins.
Ooh.
Vodka's a good thing.
How many other Collinses do you know? Do you know a Barnabas one yet?
I do, but we only make him around Halloween.
I can't wait to try that one.
That's
either.
another recipe.
Yay.
So, Vodka Collins. We're going to use some vodka, 3 ounces. See how easy? I hope you're all going to make Collinses very soon.
You should. They're delicious.
1.5. And that makes 3. Okay. Our lemon juice. 3, 2, 1. 2 lemons. Now, what's great about these is you can use rum, you can use tequila, you can use so many different alcohols and get totally different drinks, but it's the same recipe. One simple syrup. Now, wait, weren't you blonde? Were you? No?
I'm blonde.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, here we go. Mixy, mixy. You're sure? Didn't you have a tall? No? Okay. Maybe I've had too many Collinses.
I don't think you can have too many Collinses.
All right.
At least that's what they told me at college. That's why I got simple syrup. Always causing trouble.
Always. That's why we love you.
I love you.
Okay. In we go. All right. Just like before, a little splash of soda. Our little straws. Little stir. And look, there's just 2 pretty garnishes left.
Lovely.
So here we are, the Vodka Collins. Let's taste.
No. You can't taste that without me, darling. You cannot taste that without me. Oh,
Look who it is. It's the world famous maple syrup.
Come on. Why?
Cheers. Delicious.
that is
Delicious.
I'd love to try it, Mabel.
Here, dearie.
Thank you.
Here we are. Here's our 3 Collinses, our family of Collinses. We have a Tom Collins with gin, John Collins with bourbon, and a Vodka Collins with vodka. Delicious, easy drinks. Now, as always, guys, we're going to have this recipe up on YouTube and the comment section on Facebook, just like we always do. Now, we love hearing from you, so keep sending in those questions and those pictures. Make these for your next celebration. Take some pictures and send them to us. We love it. So we'll see you again next Tuesday at 7 p.m. like we always do, because you're all invited to come on over, come on in, and let's celebrate. Cheers.
Cheers.